When you order your complete Zilco harness, it comes partially assembled in a neat carry bag, with the breastplate and saddle placed at either end. The breeching is placed around the breastplate, while the breeching straps and saddle turrets are securely fastened to the bag with hook and loop straps. The false belly band is threaded through the girth loop. And neatly placed above the breeching. The traces, quick release tugs, reins, and breeching straps are then placed in the centre. The cropper is placed on top, followed by the trace carry straps and false martingale. The first part of the bridle is put together with the headpiece, throat lash, brow band, and rosettes. First, the rosettes are placed through the ends of the brow band with the Zilco logo facing up. The headpiece straps are then thread through the front and back of the rosette. This is done on both sides. The throat lash is then connected to the back straps of the head strap. And fed through the loops. This is also repeated on both sides. The second part of the bridle includes the blinkers, noseband, and optional flash converter, which are connected by first unbuckling the noseband. It is fed through the flash converter until it is in the centre and slightly tightened. The noseband strap is then thread through the small loops on the blinker until it meets the padded brow and buckled. The other side of the noseband is then unbuckled, fed through the opposite small loop on the blinker, and rebuckled. The two bridle pieces are then connected with the blinker stay strap under the brow band to the headpiece buckle. The front straps on the headpiece are then connected to the cheek strap buckles on both sides of the blinkers. The complete bridle is then placed in the bag and connected with the hook and loop straps. All the items are firmly secured in place before the bag is shut. Every harness then receives their individual harness number and warranty card.